If you're thinking about buying Eden Labs, also known as Ella and Eden Castor Oil, here's the quick answer. Yeah, it's actually worth it if quality matters to you. What stands out right away is that this is USDA and EU organic certified, cold-pressed, and completely hexane-free. That means no harsh chemicals, and it keeps all the good stuff like ricinoleic acid intact. The packaging is also a nice touch. It usually comes in a dark amber glass bottle, which helps protect the oil and avoids plastic contamination. As for results, people love using it for hair growth, thicker lashes, and dry skin, especially rough spots like elbows and heels. A lot of users also use it for castor oil packs to help with bloating, digestion, and even sleep. Now the downsides? It's super thick and sticky, so application can get messy fast. And some people mention issues with leaking pumps during shipping. Overall, if you want a pure organic castor oil for hair treatments or wellness routines, Eden Labs is a solid buy. It costs a little more, but the quality and glass packaging make it worth paying for.